Hey everyone, Mog here, and today I've got the Stealth Key by UrbanAlps. The key works as you'd expect. As far as tools go, I've got two BMS-09 tension wrenches from Multipick, two of them so I can switch between the two sides depending on which one I'm picking. And then I've got Multipick flag 3 and 6, which are two of the wider ones so they don't slip off the levers quite as easily. So with that, let's get picking. Going to be tensioning clockwise and start picking on the left side. There's lever 1. I think 2 as well. There I've set 7, which is one of our max lifts. I believe 2 is good. Now I'm going to try and get to lever 4, which is the only other one that needs to be played with. And I think that one's looking good too. So that got a little bit of a false set. I'm going to try moving over to the right side. And I'm going to switch the flag for this side. Starting with lever 4, one of the max lifts on this side. And then I'm going to try and find lever 7 back here. There's 6. And there's 7, which is one of our max lifts. Now 4 still seems to be set, which is the other one. So now I've got a little click out of 2. Oh, a little click out of 3. Our others that aren't the min lift. And there we go. You can see we are open. Now let me give this at least a partial gut to show you that everything is indeed in here. Won't need the vise anymore. And get rid of, move these out of the way. Just gonna lock it back up. I'll start by getting this really stubborn clip off the back. There we go. So here is our first sidebar. Oh, and there's one of the springs. See if I can get the other spring out of here so I don't lose it. And here is the other sidebar. Spring 1 and spring 2. So here you can see all the levers, all present. And if we look at this here, actually I'm going to flip it around. So should be able to see here So you can see this would be the bitting for the right side. The way I picked it, start from the front of the key, or the front of the lock. We've got no lift, medium, medium, high, no, medium, high, or max you could say instead of high. But anyway, since there's only 3 lifts, then this for the left side, you can see we start off with max, mid, none, mid, none, none, max. Really fun just watching those levers move around. I love the feeling of the key in this lock. It's amazing. But yeah, so not too much to see from the key itself, because, you know, stealth key. But there you have the plug. Nothing particularly unusual, at least as far as I know from these locks. Not super familiar with them though, to be fair. For our housing here, we have the 2 sidebar grooves, and I don't think really much else to talk about. And then one sidebar, as you can see. Whoops. There's that one. And here is the other. And of course, the springs are nothing too special, just 4 of these little guys, 2 for each sidebar. And yeah, just for a little closer up on the picks here, just so you might be able to get a better idea of precisely which ones I'm referring to. It's really just these fat boys here. And yeah, 2 of these BMS-09 tension wrenches, nice and thick to fit on those sides pretty well. Many thanks to DuckFacts for all the tips he gave me to get this lock open. For anyone who took time to watch, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.